Hello, my dear ladies. Hello, my dear gentlemen in the bathroom. I have a lot to say about my short hair styling with Sisley. I love nature, the natural, the pure, the beautiful, the elegant, and the simple. This also applies to my hair. I've worn all lengths of hair in my life. Now I prefer short hair. But it has to be specifically short, a la StyleMarion. That's why I cut my own hair. Yes. No hairdresser does it the way I'm happy. I'm an artist after all. In the next videos, I'll show you which products I use for my hair. I'll see you after my next hair wash. Have a nice day.